In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up your AE450 scent system and everything you need to know to get your space smelling great. Unboxing your AE450. Inside the box, you will find a manual, an AE450 diffuser, and a 100 milliliter bottle of your preferred scent. Diffuser Specs. The AE450 is a wall plug-in scent diffuser. It uses a 100 milliliter bottle of aroma and it can scent a space of up to 450 square feet. This diffuser is fully programmable and it can only be controlled through Bluetooth via the Air Essentials app, which can be downloaded from the Apple Store or Google Play. Setting up your diffuser with oil. Screw in the aroma bottle upright. Do not over or under tighten the bottle. Make sure it's secured. Once the bottle is attached, do not flip it over, as this may cause the diffuser to malfunction or stop working. In other words, always keep your AE450 at an upright angle. Programming your AE450. Download the Air Essentials app on your device. It is available on Apple Store or Google Play. After you install the application, plug in your AE450 and turn on your Bluetooth. 3 sections will show up on your main menu. Program My Unit for programming. Contact Us, which takes you directly to our website, and Frequently Asked Questions. Select Program My Unit. Remember, your AE450 system should be plugged in. Once it's plugged in, select your device, which will appear as a default title. In this case, it will show you a barcode. Tap on your device and access the unit using our factory password 8888. You can always change your password under Settings. After connecting to your AE450 unit, you will be able to change the name of your diffuser. Under this section, you will see 2 factory programs, which you can select to start scenting your space. You will also see a plus sign to add a new program. You can create up to 5 different programs. You can delete any program on this screen by sliding toward the left and pressing delete. When you click on the plus sign, the screen will show working period settings. It will show a start time and an end time. Start time. Here you can program the time in hours and minutes of when the machine will start scenting. End time. You can also program the time in hours and minutes of when the machine will stop scenting. Below this, you will see the days of the week highlighted in green borders. This means that the working period settings will apply to every selected or highlighted day. Below the day of the week, you will find the grade of the diffuser. You can either select a preset grade by selecting Grade, or customize your own grade with Custom. We will go over both options. For now, let's work with the preset grades. On the AE450, there are 4 preset grades. If you want a low scent frequency, select grades 1 or 2. If you want a higher scent frequency, select grades 3 or 4. You can select your desired grade and find more details in each grade's pause time in our Frequently Asked Questions section of the application. If you'd like to customize your own fragrance settings instead of choosing a preset grade, you can select Custom to customize your own working time and pause time settings. Here you can program the time in seconds. In this case, let's program the working time of 15 seconds and a pause time of 300 seconds, or 5 minutes, for a very low scent frequency level. Once finished, press Save at the top right corner to save your custom settings. Resetting your AE450 to factory settings. Press and hold the reset button located on the front of the device while plugged in. The diffuser will then beep and reset to factory settings. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding programming your diffuser, please do not hesitate to contact us at 305-446-1670. Also, remember to follow us on all of our social media platforms for the latest updates and special offers.